Okay, Joe's Golden Garage here. We're here at the auction. This is Red Top Mountain Auto Auction near Cartersville, Georgia, and I have found a jewel. This is a two-owner, no accidents on the Carfax, 93 Toyota Land Cruiser that was a trade-in at Capital Toyota, 235. Tennessee car, since new. Holy cow. No rust, no nothing. This thing was garage kept. I mean, it is mint. I've already done some walking around. Look at these seats. Now, yeah, sure, they got a little cracking, but they're, look, no holes. And this is original stuff right here, y'all. Little cracking, back seats, good shape. Look at this. Plastics. Look at that damn steering wheel. Look at the writing on the stalks. I mean, this thing. Okay, let's go. Let's go. A little tight. This is not as roomy as I thought. Hang on. Wow. She's warm. Someone's been test driving her. Wow. Man, she runs good. Holy shit. Got cold air. Are you kidding me? You have got to be kidding me. This thing is amazing. It is in amazing condition. There's no telling how much this thing, I mean, someone will probably bid this to $10,000. It wouldn't surprise me. People are crazy when it comes to these Land Cruisers. Oh, it is so solid. Drives straight. No funny sounds. Even the windshield's in really good condition. I am very, very impressed. I wish this was the Chattanooga auction so I could have my little runway to race it out, you know? We don't have that here. But gosh, it runs really well. Shifts perfect. Here's a dip. Oh, handled that good. Wow, this thing is cool. Holy smokes. We gotta do a walk around. This is just too cool. This will be the inline 6, like a 4.5, I believe. Look at those freaking tires. Man. Get you some lugs on your tires. What? What? Say what? What you think, Ross? Man, that thing is awesome.
Sweet ride.
Golly. I mean, the carpet and just all the plastics and leather. Just an amazing. Look, why is that ashtray door not broken off? That is unbelievable. Yeah, it does have some. I would call that sun faded. That's what I'd call that. Tailgate looking good. Proves it's a Tennessee car, because you know these are the first things to rust. Got a few little specks right there, but that's just touch-up paint stuff. Oh wow. Missing the third row, but hey, maybe you can find one on eBay. Damn, the carpet, everything in this thing is so nice. What an amazing find. Hey Russ, you want to bid on this? Let's bid on this tomorrow morning. Man, that is amazing. Nope. 1993 Toyota Land Cruiser, 235,000 miles. Wow, what a special gem. Even these glass headlights. I mean, it's got a star right there, but I mean, the fact that they're just intact is just amazing. Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. I reply to all comments. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.